Okay. You mentioned earlier, no, yung regarding dun sa hindi maintindihan ng family mo kung ano yung trabaho mo. Kasi nga, syempre, it's new eh, di ba? Hindi natin, or for example, hindi pa alam ng lahat kung ano talaga yung pagiging VA before or pagiging virtual assistant, especially 2019, 2020. Lalo na kapag yung kumbaga yung mga kasama mo sa bahay, medyo may edad na or somehow hindi open-minded or ano, namulat ba sa yung mga usual na mga trabaho lang.
Mm.
And it's really a challenge to tell them na, uy, tahimik kasi nagtatrabaho ko. 'Di ba? Hindi mo naman pwedeng ganunin eh. So, anong ginawa mo? Paano mo siya inintroduce? Kasi it might be something that is also a challenge to some of our other, mga ka-VAs dyan na nasa bahay lang din and then yung bahay nila sobrang lively. Kasi sa amin, dun sa ano namin, sa bahay namin sa Santa Mesa, yung parang ano ba, ancestral home namin. Marami kami doon. Kumbaga, nandun yung mga tita ko, mga pinsan ko, mga kapatid ko. Ang dami namin. And throughout the day, as in the whole day, talagang maingay. Kumbaga, nasa Manila ka, kasi dyan sa provinces, I would understand na may mga manok na biglang tumitilaok na kung ano-ano, 'di ba? On the background. Pero kasi ano I've been to some provinces as well. Like let's say in Bohol. Sa Bohol parang 7 o'clock tulog na yung mga tao or nasa bahay na lang, hindi na maingay eh, di ba? And for this one, for you guys, I mean, like right now, what time is it? Like 9:10, 9:11, and
Yeah.
medyo may maingay pa rin. So it's quite different. Pero din nga sa Manila, medyo mahirap nga kasi nga ano na maingay. So how did you do that? Para ma-share mo lang dun sa iba nating mga kasama.
Like letting people know or letting your family know about your work is very difficult for me kasi they again they don't understand what I'm doing.
Mhm.
But it's funny kasi they don't have any ideas kung anong ginagawa ko.
Yeah.
Yung alam lang nila is nakababad lang ako sa
Sa
computer.
computer.
They just yeah, and they just started to realize that I'm working when
Yeah.
the time that I received my first salary.
Oh,
Yun.
okay.
So parang na bother sila or parang nagtataka they started to question
Mhm.
anong trabaho niya? Napapansin ko nagko-computer lang siya. But he is earning money. So, ano
Yeah.
yung ginagawa niya? So, that was the time. Tapos they started to adjust. Parang it's a work even though I
Yeah.
don't understand it as of the moment. Kasi yung
Mhm.
typical Filipino family, they just acknowledge work like doctors,
Yes.
teachers,
Yes.
police, yun. Aside
Mhm.
from that, hindi yan trabaho or hindi
Mhm.
yan profession.
Yeah,
So,
exactly.
it's very foreign that time. But right now, my family is very appreciative on what I'm doing. They also acknowledge the fact that I'm also sharing things and
Yeah.
they also saw my post, how
Yan,
it
tama.
impacts other people, yung mga ganun. So,
True.
parang nasasabi ko na rin that they are somehow proud even though there's still questions in their mind. As long as they are getting monies, yun lang.
Grabe naman. Pero I think there's a huge part of introducing VA work nung time na nagkaroon na ng work from home nung pandemic. Kasi, 'di ba? Katulad ng sinabi mo nga, yung mga old style families are only open to, let's say, if you're an engineer, if you're a doctor, if you're an accountant, if you're a nurse, if you're a teacher, or the usual jobs that you have, or if you have a business. Pero kapag nakaharap ka sa computer, kahit hindi naman nila naintindihan kung ano yung nasa computer mo, as long as you're in front of a computer, they will assume that you're just playing. You're just playing around. You're just watching. You're just, looking at whatever. Yung time na nagkaroon ng pandemic was an eye-opener to everyone, especially dun sa mga hindi pa ganun ka-open-minded with regard to work from home. Kasi nga, di ba, if you are working, supposedly you should be going out of the house. then going back home after quite some time, doon nagtatrabaho ka. Kasi nasa labas ka eh. Andun sa labas yung kumpanya eh. Andun sa labas yung pera eh. But if you're at home, sabihin nila, bum ka. Pero nung time na yun na hindi tayo pwede lumabas, yung trabaho pinasok natin sa loob ng bahay. Doon lang siguro na-appreciate ng mga tao at naging open ang mga tao with regard to work from home.